Thank you for clicking on the video. Today I will show you a simple strategy for crypto. We're on Bitcoin on the 1 minute, let's click on indicators. Type in 2EMA and it's the simple 2EMA cloud. Add it to your chart. Let's double click and improve the settings. We want to change the slow EMA for 21 to 200. Then, change the fast EMA from 8 to 50. This will help us catch the correct trend. Next we're going to want to. I'd like to tell you about today's sponsor TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I use this to backtest all of the strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable, mechanical trading strategy which has a value of $240. Now they'll even throw in 4 pre-made, high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free. And they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. Okay, so, the second indicator we are going to add is called Chandelier Exit. This one right here. Let's change the settings. For this we are going to change the ATR period from 22 to 30. Leave the multiplier the same. Now go on to the style and turn off long stop, both of the color fills, and short stop. Just like that. Okay, so for this strategy to work we need the cloud to have changed from red to green, and there needs to be a buy label paint. We can enter a position on the close of this buy candle. We can safely set the stop loss to the 50 EMA. That's the top green line. And we will set our take profit target at a 2 risk to reward. As you can see, this trade would have hit our take profit. So next, we have a sell label paint, but this isn't valid. After that we have another buy label paint and this time it is valid. Again, we will be entering a long position at the close of the candle that the buy label painted on. Which is right here. Again, we will be setting our stop loss at the 50 EMA. This is a safer place to put it as price has a higher chance of bouncing off it to continue trend. Drag the position to a 2 risk to reward, and you can see this trade also hit our profit goal, that's 4% profit. After that trade we have another sell label paint, but this isn't valid because we are in an uptrend. We can enter this buy right here though, our rules are met so it's valid. Drag your stop loss to the 50 EMA again. And we'll target the 2 risk to reward. This one was close but it hit. There we go, in one single uptrend this strategy has made 6% profit on your account if you are risking 1% per trade. Absolutely backtest this strategy and see what works best for you. Maybe you have another indicator or two that can improve the win rate massively. If so, leave it in the comments to help the community grow. 3 trades hitting 2 risk to reward in one uptrend is lovely. Make sure to follow your rules when trading. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. My name is Mo and I'll see you guys and girls in the next strategy video. If you enjoyed, please click here.